Okay, so I bought this this set, these two little cars with remotes. It's PREXTEX. Here's a remote. There's a car there, and the other one is here. So they're cheap cars, you know. It wasn't expensive. Basically, there's really no instructions on how these things operate. It should be self-evident, but just to be clear, it goes forward with the remote, right? And if you hit the back button on the remote, it automatically turns one way. So if I hit the back one, it'll turn like that, and then so automatically turns with the reverse, and then we'll go straight with the forward. So it's pretty simple. It's just basically two operations. When it goes back, it turns one way, and then when it goes forward, it goes straight. So not bad. You know, I got this intentionally for my 1-year-old grandson. I know he's going to beat the you know what out of it, but if it gets through a day, I'll be happy. All right, they're super cool. They make a little noise too. They're like, so he's gonna like that. And this, they do take double A batteries. So for the set, you need 10 AA batteries. 2 for the remotes, 3 for the cars. You got 2 of them. And that's about it. So for the money, I would say, yeah, probably worth it. If we can make it through the day, yeah, definitely. That's it.